Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is Miss Norman, and today we're going to practice working on some subtraction. So for this game, what we're going to do is we're going to roll the spinner, and we're going to take away some of those bears. Remember that subtraction is when we take something away. So that would be like if Miss Norman had 5 cookies on her plate, and you took away 3 of those cookies. So we want to know when we're doing subtraction, how many are left? So let's spin this spinner. Are you ready to help me? 3, 2, 1, push it and spin. What number is that, boys and girls? You're right, that is the number 7. Let's take 7 bears away from our Tim frame. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 10 bears and we took 7 of them away. How many bears are left on our 10 frame? That's right, there are 3 bears left on our 10 frame. Let's write that down here in our sentence. It says 7, it does not say 7, it says 10. Take away 7 makes, how many was that again? That's right, it makes 3. 10 take away 7 makes 3. Let's write it like a first grader in that math sentence. We have 10 take away 7 makes 3. Awesome job, friends. Let's try it again and see what numbers we get. Are you ready to help me spin? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, spin it. Ooh, this time we're going to do the number 6. You're right. Let's take 6 of those bears away. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 10 bears and we took 6 away. How many bears do we have left? That's right. There are 4 bears left. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's come down here to our number sentence. We have 10 take away 6 makes 4. I hope you guys are writing those numbers in the air with me. Now let's write our math sentence like a first grader would. Get your finger ready. Let's write these numbers together. We have 10 take away 6 makes 4. Boys and girls, I am so impressed with how you are working. Let's try one more together, and then I'll tell you about your games that you have to do today. All right, let's spin it. 3, 2, 1, spin. Oops. Got to change it to the arrow. One more time. 3, 2, 1, spin. Ooh, I love this problem. This time we're going to take away 10. So we have 10 bears in our 10 frame. Let's take 10 of those bears away. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're helping me count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 bears and we took 10 bears away. How many bears are left here on our 10 frame? You're right, there are 0 bears left. So let's write it down here in our number sentence. We have 10 take away. How many did we take away? Yep, 10, write 10 with me. Makes, how many are left? There are 0 left. 10 take away 10 makes 0. Let's write that number sentence together. Get your finger ready. 10 take away 10 makes 0. Now, boys and girls, this problem is perfect for us to remember before we start working, or before I start explaining what our activities are this week. So this week, or today, sorry, not this week, but today, you you have two choices. You can play Lego subtraction, or choice 2 is a computer game on ABC Ya where you can practice your subtraction skills. To play Lego subtraction, you need 1 dice and a tower of Legos for every person playing. You can play this by yourself or with a parent or a brother or sister. You need anywhere from 10 to 15 blocks or bricks in each person's tower. So what you're going to do is you're going to stack your bricks up to make a tower. And then down here, number 2, on your turn, you're going to roll the dice and subtract that many bricks from your tower. So on this turn, I rolled a what number? I did roll a 2. So if you look over here, look at my tower. I took away 2 of those bricks. So now instead of 10, I have 8. But before you can move to your next or the next person's turn, you have to say that number sentence out loud. I had 10 Legos and I took away 2 Legos and now I have 8 Legos, just like we were doing with the bears. The winner is the first person to get to 0. Remember, if I have 3 cookies in my hand, can you take 6 cookies away from me? You sure can't, because I don't have 6 cookies. So for that last turn, you're going to have to roll the exact number to get your tower to 0. I can't wait to see what awesome subtraction you guys are working on. Remember, you can do this, or your second choice is a computer game on ABC Ya. I hope everyone has an awesome Thursday, and we will see you, or not Thursday, an awesome Tuesday, and we will see you on Thursday for our Nearpod Live lesson. Love you. Mwah.